Connect the gas pipe directly to the lock clip of the intake.
I find out answers when I don't ask. While I stand here with a
Insert the gas pipe directly into the pressure-reducing valve. Tighten and tighten the pressure relief valve to within 28 to 37 millibars. When connecting the inlet pipe, do not rub any taper on the thread of the inlet pipe. Add the rubber pad to the inlet pipe and put it on. When connecting the outlet pipe, do not rub the adhesive taper on the thread of the outlet pipe. Add rubber pad at the outlet pipe and tighten the outlet pipe directly.
It's been 12 blocks and back, I'll never have enough. It's me that says, please do not go.
When installing the battery, the anode and cathode of the battery should be distinguished. The battery should be installed in the battery box, should be cupped to type the batteries should be used.
You said, what's the harm in trying? I say, what's the use when you know all along? You always said, each day's a new start. You must sleep well, sleeping must heal the heart.
Turn on the gas. After installation, turn on the power switch at the bottom of the machine. Finally, turn on the running water to complete the ignition.